Welcome to Zeally. The platform is both easy to use and intuitive. To get started, you'll want to load your physicians, support staff, and patients. I'll show you how. From the administrative dashboard, scroll down to Manage Teams. Here you'll see two default teams, physician teams and support staff teams. Under physician teams, select Manage Members. Your existing physicians will be listed here and can be edited. To add a new physician, select Add Physician. Load in the physician's contact, demographic, and profile information here, and save. On the next tab, the physician selects their preferences, and save. Moving on to support staff, from the dashboard, go down to Manage Teams, this time Support Staff Teams. Select Manage Staff. Here, your existing staff will be listed and can be edited. To add new support staff, select Add Support Staff. Load in the information for your receptionist, scheduler, nurse, etc. here, including a valid email address so they may be given access to the Zeally portal, and add support staff. Finally, patients. From the dashboard, scroll down to Patients. Here you have two options. You can upload your entire patient population at one time by following these instructions and filling out the attached form. Or, to add a new patient individually, select Add New Patient. Fill in the patient's chart information here, and save. You're all set. And remember, if you have questions, we have a full-time support staff on hand. Just call or email during normal business hours for help.